All right, 0 to 60 test in the 2024 Toyota RAV4 Woodland Edition. We've got the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. It is a CVT, it's a hybrid, and we've got 219 horsepower and 163 pound-feet of torque. Got traction off, got this in sport mode. Let's see how fast it goes. Woo! It's honestly not that bad. All right, wow, 7.2 seconds. 7.26 seconds. I know, obviously you're not taking this car to the racetrack, but that's a decent amount of power. Obviously you get the Prime, you're gonna get like 300 horsepower in that thing, which would be sweet to try out. Hopefully we can try that one out sometime.